Hey, this is Rubber Cheese. I'm just going to do a quick walk around and demo of this espresso machine. Read my review for my full thoughts, but I thought this would be a bit easier than trying to describe some of the features. So on top is where you access the bean hopper. So you can put full beans in here. And if you want to do a single scoop of pre-ground, you can flip this open and feed that in. So on the front, we've got the removable drip tray. Now obviously I've got this pulled out from where I usually keep it, but we pull this out. So this is where the overflow water goes, and in here is the coffee grinds. I can't tip it up to show you because I'm dropping water, but put this back. To refill the water, I just have to pull this out here. And included with this unit is a water filter, which you should install if you've got moderately to very harsh hard water. So this hasn't been turned on since this morning, and I'm going to show the startup time. So as it's warming up, it goes through a bit of a cycle. You can throw your espresso cup underneath here just to kind of capture that warm water as it comes out, to kind of preheat your cup a little bit. The last time I timed this, it took 38 seconds from the time I hit power until it was actually ready. Okay, and yeah, about 38 seconds. So the way this works is any light which is on is something you can use. You can start by selecting the strength of the brew between 1 and 5 beans. If you don't select anything, it goes with the default that you've already got pre-programmed. You can also have, you set this for using ground coffee. So you've got the regular espresso, espresso lungo, the full sort of coffee almost. This is over ice, which I've never actually used. This one turns on the frother, and this one just does the cleaning cycle again. You can also dispense hot water just by flipping this to on without first pressing the steaming button. So I'm just going to brew a quick cup, or a quick shot of espresso. And the other thing is you can press this 2 times button here to make 2 of either of these espresso shots. Or you can just press it again to go back. And to make espresso, very easy. We've turned the machine on, waited, 40 seconds, and then all you gotta do is press the espresso button. And you can also pull this down to minimize splashing. And there is the espresso. So just like most other espresso machines, when your drip tray gets full, it's going to pop up a little red float here, so you're going to know to empty it. And I also had mentioned at the back is where the grounds get dumped. There's a little light on here that tells you when the grinds get full. There's also a warning light to let you know when the water is too low for what you're trying to do. And I think that's pretty much it. And obviously the manual frother works just like any other frother that you might have used. So please read my review for the rest of the details about the unit, but again, I thought doing a demo might be the easiest. I'm just going to power it off, and you can see it going through the shutdown cycle. And one last thing, You may have noticed it sitting really far out. I just pulled it out for doing this review. Normally it's sitting in the back here, more out of the way. Thanks for watching.
All right, so when you first get your machine, what you want to do is you want to put your coffee beans in this area right here. As you can see, they're whole. Here is the dial that lets you choose how fine the grind is. This is the chute for pre-ground beans. Next, you want to turn it on. And I call this like my dump cup, because when you first initially turn it on, it always flushes itself out.